What's going on, everyone? We're gonna put our stone crab traps back in the water. That's the bait there, we're holding heavy. And we gotta go put Sarah's boat back in too. But we had our crab traps out because of the storm that came a couple months ago. That tropical storm that was almost a hurricane, and we just haven't had time to put them back in. So we're going back in. We'll see you at the boat ramp. This is one of the worst boat ramps around, so enjoy. We'll go drop the boat in here soon. Good work or no? We're on.
I'm like Donkey Kong.
If y'all want to test your relationship, go put trailers in and out of the water with your wives.
First of all, just show them your parking job with my engine in the bushes.
So I moved the boat there at night and it was dark out because the Marina's been so busy, the parking lot's been packed, so I gotta wait till there's no cars here. She said I parked a little close to the bushes, but it's all right. It's in the trees. Let's go put this bad boy in. And then we still have the pelagic wrap on here. That one will come off one day too, but not today. So this is Indian Key fill, or Indian Key ramp we call it. It is terrible, but it's all we got here. I mean, come check this bad boy out. Look at this thing. Look at the size of that, worn out groove right there. Crazy. This over here too. We're gonna go out there and set our crab traps again. We got a few more months here, so hopefully we'll go catch some crabs.
You had a new trailer here, you'd be crying.
That is terrible. We're on the boat, we're back to crabbing. Captain and Sara.
All right, first mate Nick, we gotta move all the buckets back here because the boat's all lopsided.
Just want to do a little vlog style here too with you guys, and I want to thank everyone that ordered merchandise, shirts and hats. We sold out of a lot of stuff real quick, and we're working on getting everything else made, but it just takes time. I guess, I wasn't looking back. I would have started planning a little bit sooner. Would have had everything ordered and in stock, ready to go for the first of the year, but I wasn't ready mentally. But we're ready now. We're getting ready. So thank you guys again for ordering. We sent out a bunch of stuff. We got a lot more stuff coming. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. Enjoy the ride today. Banana.
Yeah, my breakfast, my lunch. Look. Are you bleeding? No, not yet.
Not yet. She asked if I was bleeding. I said, not yet.
Oh, Bessie lives.
Run. So we're setting our traps back up. We're marking on our tags, and we got tags that identify our traps. Just rewriting it with magic marker, make it a little bit cleaner. The trap's been out for 2 months, so it's dried up a little bit. We're gonna put them back in here. They're stinky.
Rock.
Oh, gross.
Our weight down.
You just saw she slid the weight down, and that keeps the buoy stirred up and down. So, because you don't want slack in your rope down on the surface, because when boats run by, they'll run it over. So that little weight helps out a lot there on the line. There, 16 feet. 12 feet.
Ooh, we're back crabbing.
Crabbing again.
So that storm came, Eta,
Yep.
and we took the traps out because I was afraid we might lose them. And then I had the baby, so we're busy the past 6 weeks.
Yep.
But now it's just getting good again. Like honestly, the past month, it doesn't get good back here until like the cold fronts come, and now we have like these north winds and westerly fronts are coming now, so the water's cold. And like, we do the best like January and February, we pull the most claws. Just in time for the park. Still frozen. You pulled it out last night?
Yeah.
Opposite.
Look at that there. The shumsicle.
Yeah, one of mine down.
It did? Yeah. Show me the weight.
Slide one.
That's the sinker that slides, that's the weight. And when you put that weight down by that knot, it keeps the buoy vertical. 100 feet to go. She's in. On to the next one. And you know, when you go buy stone crabs at the store, they are expensive. But to be honest with you, it's probably cheaper to go buy them than go out here and catch them. But it's fun, it gives you something to do. It was a nice tuna. Deploy the trap, 10 feet. Now we're on it. That's our 5th one, so we're halfway done. She's got 5 and I got 5 traps. Screwdriver. Can you do it?
I don't know if they're that bad.
We always carry a few tools on here when we do this. You know, extra pieces, a screwdriver, the marker, extra buoys, a couple extra sinkers for the line. Just want to be prepared, you know, because you do got to repair the traps a little bit and fix things and tighten things up.
Who gave us?
That was when they were crushing them like a month ago.
Yeah. What about those?
Oh, pilchers. We got pilchers.
Here, pull my feet. It's even worth getting out. They're just gonna like slip in between the little cracks.
We'll dump them in there at the end.
That one's in here.
Oh yeah. Look at them all. Pilchers. We haven't really used pilchers before. We got them today.
They're coming out.
Yeah? Go ahead. Old Rusty.
Faithful. Choke that. We'll just give this guy some tetanus on his way out. Free tetanus.
Deploy the trap.
All right, back in action. We will come pull up and we eat crabs again.
So Sarah's driving us back, and she said this is like our first date.
Since baby Claire. How romantic, right?
In a while. Stinky stone crab trap set. But not too shabby. We'll take it.
Nice day.
That's one thing too. You know, wash your trailer when you're done with it. Help preserve it, make it last a little longer and keep it in better shape. We just put new tires on this one, oh, maybe 4 or 5 months ago, so we want it to last a little while. And just a little more preventative stuff here. you know, we already got a little bit of rust on some of these bolts there. You can see that right there, that on there. We just want to hit it with a corrosion stop, and it'll just make it last longer, and then we'll have this thing, you know, for years to come, and we'll be in good shape. So just like to hit all those like that. And we'll come back here too, and some of these connections back here, and that'll just help there. How you doing?
Hi, we're big fans.
You watch the videos?
Yeah, all the
You
time.
do?
Yeah.
They watch the videos. What's your guys' names?
I'm James.
James?
Yeah.
Undisclosure, I don't know who you are.
You don't?
You seem really enthused.
She just crushed my ego. She didn't know who I am. How crushing. Where are you guys from?
We're from Denver. We have a place in Marathon though. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, good to meet you
Nice
guys.
meet
Thanks
you
for
as
watching.
well. Yeah, we've been watching for a while.
I hope you guys don't mind being on the video.
No.
She's super excited there.
Woo! I'm a new subscriber.
There you go. She got a new subscriber. So.
Thank you very much.
All right, here's a little family update. Baby Claire's getting bigger. Say hi, Claire. Hello. She's been eating away this morning. I can hear Sarah getting up in there. It's been me, Claire, and Sadie the last few hours. What do you got? Ooh, you got this slime?
Open that up.
Okay. This is Galaxy slime. It's actually pretty slimy and funny. Ready? Oops. So we had a little birthday party for Sadie the other day. About 10 little kids came over.
Happy birthday to Sadie. Happy birthday to Sadie.
This is life in the Keys in Islamorada. Well, this afternoon we opened up the website to book new dates for the next 3 months. And I'm not booking trips way out like I used to. You know, I'm trying to book a couple months in advance, and I'm stopping. I'm doing some swordfish camps. I'm only going to try to fish 3 days a week, so the days are limited. There's a lot of you guys on the email list, like 1,300 people or a little bit more now. I can get some of you guys out, but if I can't get you out, you know, my uncle Scott on the Catch 22 can. Captain Travis on the water damage, that's my old Freeman, he can. And that's just how I do it. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting a long time, and can't get everybody out there, but I get a few guys out, and just hope you all enjoy the videos in the meantime, and can't wait for all these new adventures for 2021. So thanks again. The site did crash. A bunch of you guys went in there right away, and sorry about that. I can't get emails, texts, calls. Couldn't get back to everyone, but we did fill in all the days we're going to fish the next 3 months. So we will keep you up to date, though, and we'll get somebody guys out there soon. So thanks for following along. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. That's the bait there. We're holding heavy. And we got to go put Sarah's boat back in, too. But we had our crab traps out because of the storm that came a couple months ago. That tropical storm that was almost...